YouTube, what's good? It's Dame coming back at y'all with another weekly recap, but really this is the monthly recap. We are done with January, thankfully. Happy to be done with it. You know what I'm saying? Last we left off, we were done with this third week of January. Y'all can see how this last week of January kind of played out. I'll go over it and give you a real rundown of it, but we ended the month. Let's just get over the numbers first. We ended the month with 9.2K in payouts, putting in 1,300 in accounts this month. So around like, what is that? Around like 7.8K, like around there in profit payouts. But we took in a total of 9,200 in payouts. But it's all good because this is only month one of fucking 11 more to come. You know what I'm saying? So I'm excited for the rest of this year. But let me give you all a little rundown on how this week went. First day of the week, it was a little rough, bro. Fucking like market was just hella volatile, and I rushed my trades. Not gonna lie, ended up being down 600, and right there, I was just like, yeah, I'm just done for the day. Didn't continue to trade that day. Second day of the week, what ended up happening? I think, yeah. So it was weird. This was a weird day too. I don't really like how this looks, but at the same time, I'm glad that I stopped where I stopped at. But let me back up a few steps. So my weekly goal for this, like basically every day this week, was to hit $700 on each account every single day, which you can see we almost were able to do. But this first losing day of the week is kind of what threw me off. But you know, we got our $700 day the second day of the week. Third day of the week secured our $700 day. Then here comes the fourth day of the week, right? Thursday. So let me explain this, bro, because I know this looks crazy right here. So look, off rip, right? Market opens 6:09. You can see 6:09. This is 9 minutes after market opens. I'm secured 700 in profit, right? I have a copy trading system where every account that I have is supposed to follow. What ended up happening, none of the accounts followed, and only this account took the profit. So when that ended up happening, I ended up like fixing my copy trade, whatever, continued to trade, didn't lock this account. I continued to trade on this account and then copied the other accounts. Obviously, you can see I lost all the profit on this account, meaning I was down 700 on all my other accounts. From there, I just waited. Literally was just super patient until I found a clean entry, like something that I knew was almost guaranteed to play out in my favor. So look, at this point, I ended up getting my account back to 700, right? Because this is account only was at 700. The other accounts did not follow. Boom. Now this account was back at break even, but all the other accounts were down 700. Then boom, this account is back up 700, but all the other accounts are still break even. So I still needed that winning day type shit. So I'm like, fuck. Let me just get this last little 300 and just call it a day. Boom. We hit 1,000 on this account, and I have a thing. I had it set to automatically lock me out at 1,000. So once we hit 1,000 on this account, it automatically locked me out. But keep in mind, the other accounts, they were not the same balance. So you can see that these accounts only had $300 days that day of the week. And then yesterday, very textbook quick trade, bro, off a 3-minute inversion. I'll pull up the trade right here so you can see it's literally a 2-minute trade, bro. Like, I think 3 minutes into market open, we were fucking done for the day, bro. All right, tap the 3-minute. I want to see 3-minute inversion. Did we get our daily wick? Yeah, we did. We get the 3-minute inversion. I'm going to buy. We're getting it right now. Order filled. Inverse the 3-minute, targeting this high. I need to get more contracts in, but I'm trying not to risk too much. Let me get these contracts in, please. Thank you. All right, one more in. That's all I need in, literally. I don't need anything else. If we hit full TP, I want to add one more, move my stop up, but at the same time, I just want to be very low risk on this trade, even though we're already hella low risk. I'd rather just wait. I think full TP slams up 200 right now. Bang. I'm going to get ready to sell one. I'm going to just take one there, let the rest rock out, break even. I think full TP is going to go, though. All right, we're respecting this 30-second right now. Oh, yeah, that's so beautiful. This is how it's done, bro. Market opened 3 minutes ago. Come on now. I'm trailing stop heavy. Push a little bit more for me, baby. Right there. Trailing stop heavier. Oh, my God. You know you want to. You know you want to. Oh, my God. All right, tick is crazy. Was that God stop? Hold on. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's God stop. Holy fuck, bang. And we're done for the day. God damn. But yeah, so after that trade, you know what I'm saying, that being the final trade of the week, that wraps up the month for me. Like I said, we already went over the payouts of the month. As y'all can see right here, I requested another payout right after that trade for 1957, which still waiting on, but I'm still going to count it in the month of January. All right, 1957, that's the payout. I just didn't save my info. Submit. Bang. Payout submitted. That's the fucking last payout for the month. That puts us at like 10K on the month, I think. But yeah, other than that, you know, the goal from here, I'm counting this as my first 10K month, bro. I don't care what anyone says. For me personally, this is my first 10K month with being a full-time day trader, and I will consider myself a full-time day trader now because my other little side hustle that I was really doing, like, I really stopped since I becoming profitable. Like I haven't, money wise, I have not done anything else except for day trading this month. Like, so I consider myself almost a full-time day trader. I would like to see 2 more months of 10K plus, and then I will really consider myself a full-time day trader. But I think that this is only the beginning. You know what I'm saying? Actually, no. I know that this is only the beginning, and that we have many more, many more 10K plus months to come. You know what I'm saying? From here, it's kind of just a scaling game. Right now, let me see if I can pull it up. As y'all can see right here, so these are all the accounts that we have as of right now. I have 3 Tradeify accounts and about 6 TopStep accounts. I'm going to purchase 2 more Tradeify accounts, and I also am looking into my funded futures because I just found out that they actually have the same rules as TopStep, bro. The same rules as TopStep, just the 80-20 split instead of a 90-10 split, which I'm perfectly fine with. So we're going to end up grabbing 2 more Tradeify accounts to get us 5 Tradeify accounts, 5 My Funded Future accounts, right? And then we're going to do 3 Alpha accounts. So, bro, we are going to be stacked this month. It's like, it's just a matter of time of when all these accounts are passed, right? And like all of them are funded, ready for payouts. That's when shit is going to get crazy. But until then, bro, it's just staying patient, staying consistent, and just letting the time do the work, really. But yeah, that's that. That's that for me. This is the recap of the month of January 2026, man. First profitable month as a day trader, and to many more. I will see y'all in the next one.